Peace and blessing of Allah be upon you today by the grace and help of Allah Almighty. We begin the explanation of Surah Fatiha. We will be recite these blessed verses 6 and 7 and then explain their meanings and well the lessons and benefits contained in them. So we recite اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Guide us to the straight path, the path of these upon whom you have bestowed your favor, not of those who have incurred you wrath, nor of those who have gone astray. The words guide us to the straight path mean, O Allah, grant us the path of truth, guidance, and your clear. Allah Himself explains in the Quran who are the people upon whom He has bestowed His favor. He says, An-Nisa 67, those are the ones upon whom Allah has bestowed His favor, the prophets, the truthful, and the martyrs, and the righteous and excellent are those as companions. Thus, those who have received Allah's favor are four categories of people: the prophets, truthfuls, the martyrs, and the righteous. Although the chain of prophethood has come to an end, the truthful, the martyrs, and the righteous continue to exist in every age, and we should strive to follow their example regarding not of those who have incurred wrath, nor of those who have gone astray. And it has explained that those who incurred Allah's wrath are the Jews, and those who went astray are the Christians. The purpose is one believes against adopting beliefs and practices that lead to Allah's displeasure and misguidance. These verses teach us that the path to success is the path of prophets, the truthful, the martyrs, and the righteous. At the same time, we should avoid every belief, action, and way of life that contradicts the teachings of the Quran and Sunnah. Therefore, if we seek success in this world and in the hereafter, we must hold firmly to the Quran and Sunnah, keep the company of the righteous people, and avoid everything that leads to Allah's anger and misguidance. May Allah keep us steadfast upon the straight path and make us among those upon whom He has bestowed His favor. Ameen. Summa Ameen.